Hi, this is Rob. This is the AccuTime Spiderman Kids smartwatch. This watch is made for 6-year-olds and up. However, the watch band is too small for adult. I am 5'7" and this watch band barely fits my wrist. The watch is splash-proof but not waterproof. This is what you get in the box. The watch itself, a USB to mini USB charging cable, and a user's guide. This is the camera. This is the power button. This is where you connect the USB cable. This is the microphone, and this is the speaker. You can also put in a micro SD card up to 30 gigabytes into this watch, but you will need to open the back of the watch with a Phillips style micro screwdriver or an eyeglass screwdriver. Press and hold the power button to turn it on. This is one of the 10 watch faces you can have on the watch. To change the watch face, press and hold on the center of the watch face. I will show all 10 of the watch faces. To save battery, the watch LCD screen turns off after about 17 seconds, or you can turn off the LCD by pressing the power button once. Turn the LCD back on by pressing the power button once. To go to the menu of the watch, swipe left or right. Here we have games, the camera, video, and pedometer. The watch is a touch screen, so to go into games, touch the games icon. To scroll through the different games, touch the right or left side of the watch face. There are a total of 6 games. To play a game, touch in the center of that game. To get out of the menu, press the power button once. I'll go back into the menu. Tap the camera to go into camera mode and take a selfie. Tap the video icon to go into video mode to record a video. This watch has a pedometer. The viewer is where you view your photos and videos or delete them. In time tools, there is an alarm, a stopwatch, and a timer. Recorder is where you can record your voice. This is a calculator. In settings, you can set one of 3 wallpapers. Set the date for the watch, set the time for the watch, set the time format for the watch, 24-hour time or 12-hour time. Storage. As I mentioned before, you can insert a micro SD card in the back of the watch. Storage is where you can transfer a photo, video, or voice recording to the micro SD card. This is reset to reset the watch to its factory settings. Brightness to adjust the LCD screen brightness. Volume to adjust the speaker volume. Okay, that is it. I hope that you like this watch.